Hi, I'm Jim Shear. I'm the author of the textbook Jazz Basics. You may be taking one of my classes, Brick and Mortar, or you may be taking one of our online classes here at NMSU or another college. I want to show you through the Canvas web pages we use at NMSU and also give you some general tips to help you get started no matter where you are. You're watching a video that is posted right here. I'm about to replace that one. That's what I'm taping now. This is a Get Started. Welcome to Music 201, whichever class you're taking. The most important thing you need to do is get access to the textbook. If you're taking brick and mortar classes, you need a hard copy of the book, and you will turn in homework from the workbook. If you're taking one of our online classes, you'll access the ebook, and to do that, you can use this link right here, and you can also hear all the music for the entire semester on Spotify. Here is a link to Spotify, and you'll also find links in the book. This link will take you to GRT, the Great Rivers Technology website. That's the electronic website for Kendall Hunt Publishing. That's our book publisher. First time you go to that link, you'll find a login like this. If you're a first timer, you need to purchase, or if you have an access code from the bookstore, put it in there, whatever you need to do to purchase access. Once you've gotten access, you're going to use a login just like this. Click the login, and it'll take you to everything that is offered at NMSU. Here are the classes that are available to you. Jazz Basics is the one you're looking for. You'll get a pull-down menu that shows you all the different sections that are available. I'm going to use my main campus one. And it'll take you to this page right here. This is the most important thing. It will launch the ebook. The ebook is now HTML, so you have individual chapters. Each one of them is full of active links. Each one of these is active. As you go through, these are active as well. You can click on these and see different definitions. The listening guides are also active, and you can click right here, and this will take you to Spotify, where you can, wait for it, listen to the track we're asking you to listen to, or you can listen to the entire recording. You can also use, from our Canvas website, the Spotify playlist, and you can simply open these in a different window in Spotify. Yeah, Canvas is working awesome today. Nice. NMSU, quality technology. Anyway, you can click on any one of these links. As you can see, it will take you right to the full Spotify playlist. And of course, as always, it's Spotify. Here's the tracks, and then it'll offer you a whole bunch more tracks that you might want to listen to. And of course, you can click on any one of these, go to the album. It's a rabbit hole, and it's a fantastic one. That's one of the reasons we switched to Spotify. Is it's such an amazingly useful tool for the kind of music we want to share with you. Because once you discover, hey, I kind of like this Miles Davis thing, well, guess what? There's another 100 recordings from Miles Davis. Again, if you're taking the brick and mortar classes, you'll be turning in your homeworks in class. If you were taking the online class, you'll be using these modules, and you just work your way right through the modules. There's quizzes, there's all kind of homework assignments, and you'll be in touch with your professors, and they'll be giving you more guidance on that. In addition, you've got writing tips if you're doing concert reviews. If you're online, you won't be doing that. Some nice writing tools as well. The active listening podcast, pretty much all sections of the class use, and it's posted right here. This is some of our first lecture assignments. This is a good way just for you to listen and review. We've created PowerPoints for the book. They're all posted here. Every chapter has its own PowerPoint. And then you've got a nice link to Pandora. Just more music to listen to, emusic.com. Each professor posts their own personal website as well, so you can check that out. You'll find the syllabus posted over here. We don't use class discussions in general in most of our classes, but if you want to have a discussion about a particular topic, if you want to start a student-led discussion, that's there for you to use. We have a chat room as well. So, very user-friendly website. We are glad you're taking the class, and we hope you enjoy the semester. As always, be proactive. Contact your professors if you ever have a question. Thanks for taking the class. Enjoy the music.